Hello friends, so in this video I'll show you what are the total number of seats available for BTech program, that is Bachelor of Technology program in National Institute of Technology Raulkela. So the courses included in this video, the BTech courses which are included in this video are civil engineering, mechanical, electrical engineering, ECE, that is electronics and communication engineering, metallurgical and materials engineering, chemical engineering, computer science and engineering, ceramic engineering, industrial design and mining engineering. The courses which I have not included in this video are biomedical engineering, biotechnology. I guess this biotechnology and biomedical engineering, they are actually not related to uh, core engineering background, rather they are some separate type of courses, so those are not included in this video. I have also not included food process engineering. I have not included BArch, that is Bachelor in Architecture, integrated MSc courses, and BTech MTech dual degree courses are not included in this video. So in NIT Raulkela, basically if we consider the courses which are included in this video, so there are all total of 886 seats, out of which the 443 seats, or you can say the 50% of the seats, are reserved for the state Odisha state students, that is state pool, or you can say state quota. And for other states, that is the rest of India, 50% of the seats are reserved for the rest of India students. So the all total seats, BTech seats, we can say 886 seats. So let us see in details under which engineering branch we have what number of seats. Okay, so in CS branch, that is the computer science branch, in Odisha or all India, the seats are 50 is to 50 divided, 50 is to 50% is to 50% divided. Okay, so in the neutral gender category, the number of seats are 22, but open PWD category, that means persons with disability, or you can say the physically handicapped person, we have one seats reserved for PWD candidate, that is open seats. And general economically weaker sections, EWS stands for economically weaker sections. So the seats reserved for CS branch are number 6. And for general EWS, also PWD candidates, the seats reserved at 0. For scheduled caste students, the seats reserved are 7. For scheduled caste PWD candidates, seats reserves are 1. For ST, that is scheduled tribe students, number of seats reserved are 4. And for OBC NCL category, that is non-creamy layer category, the number of seats reserved are 14. And OBC NCL PWD candidate, the seats reserved are 1. So all total in a neutral gender category under the computer science branch, we can get here 56 seats. And under female category, that is women quota, so under female category if we say, so under the open seats category, that is 5. Open seat category means any irrespective of any caste, it can be allotted to any caste person. But the reserve category like PWD or SC or ST or ST PWD, SC PWD, OBC, so they are all reserve category seats. So all total under the female or women quota under the computer science branch, we have all total of 12 seats. So similarly, we can say for the rest of the India under computer science branch in NIT Raulkela, we have got 56 seats all total in the neutral gender category, and for female category we have a all total of 12 seats. Okay, so next, civil engineering. Similarly, it is divided into Odisha and rest of India, and again those Odisha and rest of India is again divided into neutral and female category, and again all India is divided into neutral and female category. So overally we can get here 37 seats are reserved for neutral category under civil engineering branch, and 8 seats are reserved for female candidates under civil engineering branch. And similarly 50% if we have the same number of students or the number of seats are allotted as per the all India category. That is 37 seats are allotted for neutral gender category in rest of the India, and 8 seats are allotted to the female candidates under the rest of the India civil engineering branch. Similarly, in electrical engineering branch, we can see here 56 number of seats are reserved for neutral gender category in Odisha state pool, and 12 seats are reserved for female students, female women quota students in the Odisha state pool. Similarly, the same we can apply to the all India or rest of the country category, that is in electrical branch. 56 seats are reserved for all India category under neutral gender, and 12 seats are reserved for female category. Similarly, in EC, that is electronic and communication engineering, we have got here 31 seats are reserved for a neutral category, and 7 seats are reserved for female category. And same applies to the all India pool, that is 31 seats are reserved for neutral category and 7 seats are reserved for female category. We can go here to mechanical branch. In mechanical branch, the number of seats allotted to neutral gender category is 56, and the number of seats allotted to female category or female students are 11. Similarly, the same logic applies to the all India category, that is 56 for the neutral gender and 11 for the female category. Similarly, metallurgical engineering, that is under the neutral category, we can say 31 seats are allotted to the neutral gender category, and 5 seats are allotted to female gender category. And same applies to the all India gender, that is 31 seats allotted to neutral gender and 5 seats are allotted to the female women category. Under the neutral gender, actually the number of seats allowed can be allotted to a boy, or it can be allotted to a girl on the basis of marks secured. Similarly, in mining engineering, we can see here that 21 seats are allotted to the neutral gender category and 2 seats are allotted under the female gender category. And same applies to the all India rest of India category, that is 21 seats allotted to neutral and 2 seats are allotted to female. Similarly, electrical and instrumentation engineering, that is 29 seats are allotted here in neutral gender category and 6 seats are allotted here in female gender category. Similarly, the same logic applies to all India category, that is 29 seats for the neutral and 6 seats for the female category. Similarly, in ceramic engineering, we have got 22 seats allotted under the neutral gender category and 4 seats allotted under the female gender category. Similarly, for the rest of India, that is 22 seats allotted to the neutral gender and 4 seats allotted to the female gender. Similarly, in the chemical engineering branch, we have got 31 seats allotted under the neutral gender and 6 seats allotted to the female gender. And same applies to the all India category, that is 31 plus 6. For more informative and educational videos, please like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you.